Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Two of the successful teams in the CONCACAF this year will meet in the Jamaica Premier League as second place Arnett Gardens battle reigning champions Cavalier in a high-profile game at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex this evening at 7. Caribbean Shield winners Arnett Gardens could go top of the JPL should they get maximum points, as they are currently a point behind leaders Mount Pleasant, who are on 28. Recently crowned CONCACAF Caribbean Cup champions Cavalier have 3 games in hand, but are 8 points behind Arnett Gardens in 6th position. Victory, though, would see them go above Portmore United into 5th. President of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, Mark Bennett, is excited about launching the association's new digital platform, which will be in place for the start of the new Ren Nefi Championship and Major League season. Following the recent transfer controversy involving 2 players from Veer United who were previously registered to Casafa Club Mountain View FC, Bennett says that the new system, which will also do away with physical match cards, is also geared at preventing corruption by tracking players from a very young age.
Yes, we have started our league management database, which the presence of the league management database does not remove the need for the clubs to be registered on the FIFA Connect, but certainly to create, in terms of information, storage and recording, we felt that it was important for us to invest in this database where we will capture players as far as U10 coming up, so that will limit the opportunity for abuse, corruption, where players, as you know, will be playing on the different bird papers belonging to someone else.
Casafa had brought a case to the Jamaica Football Federation on behalf of Mountain View FC against Veer United, contending that players Romarian Thomas and Kishane Gordon were illegally transferred to the Clarendon club from Los Perfectos. Casafa explained that both players were members of Mountain View FC and were not transferred to Los Perfectos. However, the JFF ruled in favour of Veer United due to the evidence presented. Finally, Liana Wainwright lowered her personal best at the short course championship in Budapest, Hungary this morning. Wainwright, swimming from lane 3, touched the wall in 29.54 seconds, but her time was not good enough to see her secure one of the qualifying spots to the next round, as it ranked her 41st overall. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm Renata Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.